Here we go, the doors are opening. And we're off. Quite like the castle theming around this. Yeah, out of all the coasters here, this has got the best theming around the ride itself. And yeah, it's a much larger part than I was expecting. Once again, I've said that all trip, I think, but yeah, bigger part. Oh, it's steep. Woo! Way! Oh, I love a good Gerst Bob. Nice views. Hey, enjoying the ride? Woo! It's scary. Yeah, yeah. Woo! Whee! Oh! Bit of helix action.
Oh my gosh!
Airtime, here we go, boys! Yay! Woo! Oh, this is awesome! Oh! They're very scared, these boys. Oh! Woo! Yay! That was absolutely brilliant. Really enjoyed that. Did you like it? Yeah! The boys loved it. Yeah, what a great ride. That was good. Your English is very good. Yeah, very good. That was great.